Alright, so guys, we are here today in Livorno. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin akong hindi nalabas dito guys. Na natin dito yung Filipino store kung nandyan pa ba. Hindi natin alam kung nag-survive. Sarado or wala na talaga. Bistro at Cafe Miliano. Dito yung banda guys, so wala na talaga siya. Never survive. So yan, dito kami kumakain dati. Pero ngayon wala na talaga. Dito naman guys, sa likod ng plaza, dito natin makikita yung some of the Italian buildings. And this is the Camera di Commercio. Ayan. Tapos there's another building there na has Italian architecture. So, nandito pa rin yung KFC guys, no? Surviving pa rin yung KFC. Look, at yan ang mga pinupuntahan ng mga seafarers like me, Filipinos, Asians. Ayan, dito po pumunta guys. So, sa harap ko naman guys is the piazza, no? Ito yung, I'm not sure if this is the center of Livorno. However, ito yung pinaka-center talaga ng mga pinupuntahan natin guys. And on this side here are the shops. And this way is the terminal kung pupunta kayo na Pisa. Ito naman sa harap ko is the mga restaurants, no? At ito talaga yung mga kinakainan din ng mga locals. Feels like a Sunday today here in Livorno kasi today is Republic Day. It's a public holiday here in Italy. And it's like a birthday of the Italian nation. Alright, so yeah, Republic Day today in Italy. Alright, so naabot na rin natin yung street guys kung saan yung mga shops like Foot Locker, pharmacies, Kunad. Ang dami dito guys na pwede mong daanan, no? So ang next stop natin guys yung tinatawag na Venice, the Little Venice. Alright, so this looks familiar guys, no? Like a Chinese cuisine and what we call La Fortuna. Alright, so yan, pasok ka dyan guys, akyat sa taas. Yun yung La Fortuna. And by the way guys, La Fortuna is a very popular bakery or shop in Cebu when I was a little kid. So ayan, maybe the owner is Bisaya guys. Yan yung port natin guys. Yan. Kung saan yung Viking na barko guys. Diyan kami natin dumadaong. Pero unfortunately this time medyo malayo yung pinupuntahan namin. No? Like malayo kami kung saan kami nag-dock. So nandito naman sa harap guys. Nandyan dati yung Filipino restaurant at saka store. Sila yung nagbibinta ng ano guys, mga noodles, mga ganyan. Doon ka makabili guys, masasarap na mga Filipino products. Worth noting naman guys is itong statue na to, which is ganda talaga na pagkagawa, no? Para siyang conquistador. And these are what we call the slaves guys, no? Ayan, ganda na pagkagawa talaga ng mga sculptures guys. Ayan. Alright, so for some reason ang tawag nila dito guys is Little Venice, no? Kasi ang dami kumakain, ang dami mga plants, flowers, and we have also the backdrop of the port and the quay behind. So ayan guys, mapakaganda ng pagkagawa, no? Medyo cozy siya and pwede kang kumain dito guys kasi ang dami lang mga binibinta. Ayan, alright? So ayan. So ayan guys, buongiorno, and again, grazie mille for watching this video. I hope nakabigay tayo ng kunting idea about the city of Livorno, because Livorno is the gateway to pizza. Till then, see you next time. Grazie mille.